Okay, let's talk because I was having a little difficulties, but I think I got it together for the most part. But let's talk about it. Okay, so I have here, this is the Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig. It is a 360 Swiss lace wig. It's 13 by 4, pre-plucked, and it's free parting. This is made with HD high definition lace. I purchased this in a 1, and this is how the stock cord looks. I love the colors that she has in the stock card. Really pretty with that blue and that blonde. So when I purchased this, they gave me this. I purchased this from Miss Bourne. I've never purchased anything from them, but I couldn't find it on any other site. So I was like Googling stuff and saw this site. And I paid $15.57, y'all. $15.57 for this. Like, $15.57 for these drips, these pieces of waves all up and through her. What is you saying though? And then they gave me this little mask for free. This is an all-in-one brightening sheet mask, miracle repair essence with organ oil. So they gave me that for free. But yes, I paid $12.76 for the shipping, so I could just hurry up and get this bad boy. So altogether I paid $28.33. So yes, that is that on that. So let's talk about this. Okay, so everybody was excited from the reviews that I've seen, and they were saying that it was not big head friendly, or it was, I don't remember, but it's big head friendly because my head is big. It comes with the adjustable strap, and I tighten that mug to the fullest. And if y'all seen in the beginning, it had 4 clips in it. Now, the wigs I usually buy do not have 4 clips. So I thought that was interesting that it had 4 clips in it. And I've never purchased a 360 wig, which I never wear my units up, so I'm going to wear this down anyway. But that was pretty cool. Okay, so let me tell you like some pros. So a pro is this pattern, this wave thing going on. This is really pretty. Like, I didn't try to separate it or comb it out. What I did was just take it and did like this with my hands to kind of give it some, because it's going to get old and it's going to get nappy. And, you know, I'm just trying to give it as... I'm trying to give it as much life as it can take, you know, because I want to be giving them something they can feel. Yes. Shanice Nicole, you know, got me over here singing, girl, hey. But yeah, I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to comb it out too much because then it's going to get nappy fast. So I kind of just gave it a whoo. So they can be luscious and can be going with it. You know, so that's something. So when I was cutting this part, like as you seen, they had some massive baby hairs. Now, I'm not the best baby hair artist. I don't be slaying and dangling and dipping them to the side. So I cut them off. So that part of the lace, I just cut off. I never glue my units down. So this is how it's looking. So I really like this. I don't really have any cons about the wig. Like, it's nice, it's cute. It was super cheap for $16. I think this is a very nice wig. I am 5'7", and let me just get up for y'all so y'all can see every little thing now. But I'm 5'7", and it stops like right here under my breast. And this is how it's looking on the sides and the back. So that's how it's looking. This how it's looking from the front. And then this how it's looking from the other side. So that's like a 350, 345 because I ain't turning all the way around. But, you know, I was trying to do a 360, but, you know, you get what to get the width. But, yes, I like this wig overall. I love this parting space. Oh, and they said that you can part it from anywhere. I never part and see, but let's see what they talking about. You only get so much parting space. Okay, so you can part it right here and do something with it. Okay. And you could probably go over here and do something with it. Okay. But I don't want to do too much because, again, I don't want to mess these waves, baby. I don't want to mess this up because wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, but I'm drowning. Got that a boogie with it. But, yeah, this is really cute. I really like this for $16. Like, you cannot beat this. It's so lightweight. It's not a lot of hair at all. This is the perfect amount of hair. Let me see if I can bring the hair to the front. So this is all the hair to the front. Let me bring it down a little. This is all the hair to the front. And excuse that, this is just my wig stuff I was trying to tell you about. But this is all hair to the front, and this is really, really pretty. Like, this is cute. The hair is, I wouldn't say it's the most silkiest hair, but it's not like the most kinkiest type. It's a mixture to me. Let me see if I try it as a side part, how it will look. I just want to see something. I'm going to try this way. Okay. So if you want to do a side part, that's cute too. You can do you a side part. And that's really pretty. I think that's really cute. Kind of cuter than the middle part. And let's see if you want to go the other way. Okay, so if you want to do it this way, more deeper, this is really, really pretty. I really like this. So I would definitely try this as well. Probably put a clip up there if that's what you be about, if you about that clip life. But this is really pretty. I really like this. So get it. Like, what is you saying? But yeah, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was trying to see if girl got a name. Oh yeah, the style. Because I'm moving too fast. This is in the style MLF352 Noel. In the color 1. I know I said the color. But yeah, get y'all a Noel. She popping or whatnot. Yeah, she's popping. Yes, I'm loving her. You know, I'm feeling her too much. And I really like this side part. Girl gonna have to probably do this. How you going? But yeah. Okay, so that's my video. I hope you enjoyed again. I'll put the link down below for you. Until next time, all my Kiwis and Key dogs out there. Peace.